one is a dirt.
This is how to make a slide. How to make a slide. Come on.
This one has to make a slide. I'll put some water. Just a bit.
You look at the camera also. While explaining, you look at the camera.
Like this. We put the
Cover.
the circle thingy. Cover, yeah, cover. And put it. Doesn't look nice.
What you doing?
Experiment.
Okay, and then
I
put the slide.
I put it in.
Insert it in the microscope. And look at it. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah, okay, come on, do it again. You see the